Hello and welcome back to my channel, Fabulous Ideas. And yes, I have another storage idea. So from Amazon, with the aid of Amazon, I have in this box, which is quite a heavy box, but it is a foldable ottoman that you can have just like alongside the end of your bed. And I'm in desperate need for some space saving ideas, and I do need something beside the just alongside the end of my bed so I can store some things away, just to make my room look a little bit neater. So right, I'm going to be opening this box and showing you this ottoman, and then hopefully showing it to you in my room and how it looks, just to show you some space saving ideas. So I mean, there are so many out there on the market right now, but I decided to just get something that I thought was right for my room. So let's do that now. Let's get this package open and let's start doing it. And I'm just going to show you how easy this is to put together as well if you're not very good at DIY. So another fabulous idea. So as you can see, there is the ottoman, and so some nice candles burning away there, and not to forget my diffuser. I've only just turned it off with my jasmine oil that I've just used earlier. So yeah, so I mean, that is what I have, and I decided to go with the light grey because my room is kind of in the colour scheme. And yeah, I must say that's and I must say that lid is very heavy. It's a very sturdy, heavy lid, and the fact that it's foldable is perfect for when you don't need it. You can just fold it up and put it away. It's fantastic. I love this idea. As you saw, this is the best fabulous idea that you can think of, because I had never ever had to even get a screwdriver. There was no tools, no hammers, nothing. Anybody can do this, just basic folding, that's it. And what I liked about it, if I take this lid off again, what I liked is that, I don't know whether I will need it, but the option of this little, as you can see, the option of, you can separate, you can divide them into two parts, and you can put things here, you can put things there. I think I might put my cat in there if he's not careful. Yeah, so I like that idea. So if I want to put different things in here, I can separate and put different things in there, and the cat's gone in. So yes, I love that idea. And I'm just going to take it up to my room so we can have a look at the finishing touch, and you can see for yourselves how that looks. So as you can see, there is the ottoman in my room. And the reason why it's grey is obviously you can see the grey pillows, and you can see the kind of like greyish panelled wall there, all light. So obviously I wanted it in keeping, so I kept the grey. And then on my bed there, you can see I've got a little fur rug, which I'm thinking about putting it on top. So let's just have a look at it. So yeah, it's quite long, and it does fit a lot of things in there, so I'm really happy with that. So, and I've got the lid, and it's kind of got a squishy, you can see that, texture to it. I might add my throw on top just to make it nice and cozy. But yes, definite recommendation for storage. And I was reluctant to get this, and I was going to be going for the traditional ottomans that you actually put together, but I did not, was to my surprise now, the quality and the uphold of it. So yes, I'm very happy now I made that decision, and very cheap as well, cheaper than your standard ottomans that you'd put together. So I'll be putting a link down below for this, because I actually do recommend it and I'm happy with my decision. So let's put the throw on top so I can tell you, and you can see how that looks. And there you go, the final touch. So I just put my little fur rug on top, because it just makes it look all nice and cozy, because as you can see outside, winter is coming and it's starting to get dark. I've got my fur on my stool here and on the floor, so just in keeping with the textures in the room. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'm sitting on my lovely ottoman. I can even lie down on this ottoman like this, so it's just lovely that I can actually have some space and it serves so many purposes. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe for more fabulous ideas, and do give this a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you have any comments, make them in the comment section down below. And like I said, look out for the link below as well, so you know, lovely ottoman and great saving ideas with no tools and no DIY. Just literally just fold it out. So there you go, lovely. And I hope to see you all again in my next video. Bye.